Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make beans and stew. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 pound of dried beans, your choice of protein, and an assortment of fresh vegetables. This versatile dish is perfect for any occasion, offering a comforting and nutritious meal. We will walk through each step, from soaking the beans to simmering the final stew, ensuring a flavorful result every time. Get ready to create a truly satisfying meal. To achieve perfectly tender beans, start by soaking 1 pound of dried beans in plenty of water. This process should take at least 8 hours, or ideally overnight, to rehydrate them fully. After soaking, drain the water and rinse the beans thoroughly. Then, simmer them in fresh water for about 1 to 2 hours, or until they reach your desired tenderness. Remember to season them well with salt and pepper after cooking for the best taste. Now, let's build the foundation of your stew. Begin by sautéing 1 large chopped onion and 2 minced cloves of garlic in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil until fragrant. Next, add your preferred protein, perhaps 1 pound of cubed beef or chicken, browning it on all sides. Then, pour in 2 cups of rich broth and 1 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes, bringing these flavors together beautifully for a robust base. Finally, it's time to bring all your hard work together. Gently combine your tender, cooked beans with the aromatic stew base you've prepared. Allow this delicious mixture to simmer for at least 30 minutes or even longer to ensure all the flavors fully meld and deepen. Before serving, taste and adjust any seasonings as needed. Garnish with fresh parsley or cilantro for a vibrant finish, and enjoy your homemade, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.